Good morning to students. I would like to introduce myself, Dr. Vishwardhan Reddy, Associate Professor in Chemistry in HNS Department. Today I am going to discuss molecular orbital theory. Before going to discussion about the molecular orbital theory, what is the definition of atom? Because the atom is consisting of electron, neutron, so many particles. But small particle we consider as electron, then atoms, then molecules. Electron is small and atom. Next is the molecule. Next is the molecule. The electron is very small, then the atom. The atom is consisting of neutron, positron and electron. But you should understanding the what is the atom. Where the electron is very revealing the around the nucleus. Then molecular orbital theory. If you want understanding the molecular orbital theory, you should understanding the what is the definition of orbital. The theory itself having the molecular orbital theory. What is the definition of orbitals? We know the small particle is electron. The electron in atom, both suppose an atom, another atom combined together get the molecule. Then before going to discussion about the molecule, what is the orbital? What is the orbital? So, if you want to define the orbital, you should know the understanding of some quantum chemistry. But just I give the brief idea about the orbital. We can derive the definition of the orbital from the using the Schrodinger equation, that is E psi is equal to Xi. E psi is equal to Si. Here is E is the energy factor, H is Hamilton orbital, this is the psi is the wave function. Psi is the wave function. Then I need to add one more point here. According to de Broglie theorem, the electron, according to de Broglie theorem, the electron has a dual nature. One is the wave nature, another one is particle nature. Particle. Why I am discussing this point means which leads give us some information about the orbital. Because if you want to define the orbital, you should understand all these terms. Then only understanding the orbitals. That wave and particle. According to de Broglie theory, electron have a dual nature. That is, one is a wave nature, another one is a particle nature. But here is for understanding purpose, you can refer any book. You can consider as a wave function. It is very easy to define the orbital. Suppose if we take any atom, is consisting of the nucleus. The electron revolves around the nucleus. Electron revolves around the nucleus. When electron revolves around the nucleus, around the nucleus, then from definition from the using these two theories, the wave function of psi from this orbital is where the which can define how to define the orbital means orbital which can be defined as a where the space in a region around the nucleus where probability of finding the electron maximum is called as orbital. That may be atomic. This is the definition of atomic orbital. Definition: orbital is nothing but atomic orbitals. That is definition. From we can use this. Why I am using this wave function means to understand further. If you want understanding the molecular orbitals from the atomic orbitals, this is a atomic orbital. Atomic orbital which can be defined as a space in a region around the nucleus where probability of finding the electron is maximum is called as orbital. Suppose different kinds of orbital is there. The first orbital we give example S and P and D and F. This is the four kind of orbitals. Four kind of atomic orbitals. S orbitals. We know that because you are intermediate level, you know that the atomic orbitals. What are the atomic orbitals? S and P and DF orbital. If you want to know size and energy orientation of the orbitals, atomic orbital, which can be explained by the four quantum number. That four quantum number is n. N means principal quantum number. M means azimuthal quantum number. L means L quantum number. Another one is spin quantum number. Principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number, and spin quantum number. These are four quantum numbers which give the information about the size and energy and orientation, electron orientation of the orbital, which is given by this four quantum number M, M, L, S. This is already in intermediate syllabus also. From these, SPD, S is the spherical shape, P is the dumbbell shape, D is the double dumbbell shape, like this. F is a complex structure. Still, from 2020 today up to no clue from the what is the structure of this F orbital. We know all the structure of the remaining three. S is the spherical, P is the dumbbell, D is the double dumbbell shape. But we don't know idea about complete this F orbital. That's why this structure is complex structure. Nobody still have any clue about the complete structure of the F orbitals. This is the different types of atomic orbital. We know the definition of atomic orbital. We know the different kind of the orbitals, S orbital and P orbital and DF orbital. These are the belongs to atomic orbital. But our theory is molecular orbital theory. Our theory is molecular orbital theory. Then from the understanding of the definition of the atomic orbital, then what is the molecular orbitals? What is the molecular orbitals? How it is formed from the atomic orbital? I will explain the molecular orbital from simple molecule, that is the hydrogen molecule. That is hydrogen H2 molecule. H2 is molecule formed from the individual hydrogen atom combined together to form the hydrogen molecule. Combined together to form the hydrogen molecule. How it is formed? The definition of molecular orbital is molecular orbital which can be defined as the overlapping of the individual atomic orbital to get the molecular orbital. Your concept is overlapping. These two atoms, individual hydrogen atom, to overlapping to each other to get the molecule, that is hydrogen molecule. What are the types of overlapping? The overlapping is SS overlapping and SP overlapping and PP overlapping. SS overlapping will be only sigma bond, SP also sigma bond, and PP sometimes pi and sometimes sigma. Sigma bond is more strong bond than the pi bond. How it is overlapping to each other? If it goes to the hydrogen molecule, that hydrogen molecule electronic configuration of hydrogen, individual hydrogen, that is a 1s1. Electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. Suppose if we just assume as H1, the another hydrogen atom is we can assume as H2, then this is also 1s1. Here means this is belong to SS coupling, that is SS overlapping, the linear coupling 1s1 and 1. The shape of the 1s1 spherical, this is a spherical, this is just assume as electron minus, and this is central, this is also electron minus. Overlapping of these two orbital, we can get the like this. This is a molecular orbital. This is a simple structure molecular atomic orbital. This is a complex structure of the molecular orbitals. Molecular orbitals are more stable than the atomic orbital because its stabilization, individual atomic orbital in excited state. What are the atoms, whatever it may be, irrespective of the atom, in chemistry or physics, excitation means unstable. What are the electrons present in orbital of the which are belongs to hydrogen atom in excited state, which are unstable. But when the overlapping to each other to get the stable molecule orbital, that's why molecular orbital are more stable than the atomic orbital. Atomic orbital, this is the stability of this is a bonding orbitals. These are different types. This is a linear overlapping, this is also linear overlapping, this is sideways. If
side linear means you can get the sigma. If it is 5 means side wave overlap.